if you don't mind, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, can. I say listening.
Why you call yourself Lucifer?
But I am Lucifer, you know. I am Lucifer. Yeah.
No, you are not Lucifer. You are some human.
I am Angel. I'm just joking. All right, Lucifer. I'm Angel. You know. I'm Gabriel Angel.
No, if you can be Gabriel Angel.
But you don't know where you talk with me like this. Where is the problem? Where you
I'm Christian. I'm a Christian.
Christian. I'm Muslim. Where is the problem? حياك نادوش. I am Muslim. You know, Allahu Akbar.
You are what?
You know, Allahu Akbar.
No.
Only just one God.
How come you are
Lucifer and Allah Akbar. Only one God.
You call yourself Lucifer. You call yourself Lucifer and you said Allah. It doesn't work that way.
This is how it works. I just say
Allah is another. Lucifer is another. Lucifer is David.
Just
Allah
is a.
God.
C'est juste un surnom. راجل هذا. You are lady boy? You are lady or lady boy? I think you take Peric. I think you are lady boy, no? Go up. I show you up.
Listen, I am Ethiopian, okay? I am Ethiopian.
Yeah, but your face is a man, so it's complicated.
And in Ethiopia, you will not gonna find a lady
is
boy.
like man. Your nose is like man. No? Tell me, don't worry. If you are with lady boy, don't worry. Tell me. Tell me. Directly.
I said I'm a lady. What do you want?
I think you are lady boy, I'm not lady. Up. I show this up. Like this. Eh?
Why? Why should I stand up for you? Why?
Ethiopia. One moment. Slowly, girl. Qu'est-ce que tu me dis ça tranquille? Qu'est-ce que tu es en train de foutre? C'est TikTok ça. Pourquoi tu me juges? Je laisse tranquille. My girlfriend tell me you don't speak with her like this. I don't know.
She's right.
She's right. Yeah. That's right.
She's right.
Okay. So I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry, girl. Okay? Sorry.
It's okay.
Nice to meet you. قربعوها خوتي قربعوها.
Honestly, guys, please snipe. We have to win this one.
No, I can't win. I am Lucifer. I can't win.
Lucifer, he never win.
Never win. Lucifer win every moment.
Lucifer is a loser.
Yeah. 1 minute. Abdel, je m'en vais. أطلقوا السلاح.
Lucifer is a loser.
In the head. Send her in the head directly. I am power. Send her directly in the hill. Welcome.
እንደው ሰው ጨልሏል። በምድር ላይ የሚኖረው ሰው በሙሉ ጨልሏል።
ኢትዮጵያ ሚያው You can't win me. I am power.
No, you don't have any power.
You can.
I cover with the
you
blood
can't
of
win me.
Jesus.
You have 11 win. I have just 3 win. And I'm sure I win this part, this fight. I'm sure. You know?
Don't be sure. You never know what's going to happen.
Say. Show.
You never know what's going to happen.
I am power. Listen.
Your magic is it's now
if man speak with you, you listen. Listen.
No, I'm not.
What
listening.
this? In the box.
I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm gonna win this game.
You can't win this game. I am Lucifer. You can't win.
Lucifer is a loser. How many times do I have to tell you that?
He's not loser. It's power, man. Listen. You don't. زيد.
Lucifer, go to hell. Go to hell. That's where you belong. Go to hell. You don't deserve to be on TikTok. Go to hell.
Nice to meet you, my sister. Nice to meet you. You are a good person, and I'm so sorry. Nice to meet you. If I can play with you next time, okay? Thank you so much, Kia. Have a good evening. You are a good person. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. خاوتنا عبدال اضرب في اللو